When it comes to the Winter School program, we want to really let them have a grasp of what university is like, because we're trying to really show Indigenous kids that things aren't out of reach and that these ideas or dreams of jobs or careers that they want to do in the future are something that they can do.
Watamuli, everybody. And Watamuli means welcome, greetings and goodbye, spoken by the Bindal people. Bindal people are the traditional owners or custodians on the land in which James Cook Uni sits today.
It's inspiring to see over 100 young, passionate people from all over our nation here with us today, taking part in this opportunity to explore university study.
For a lot of our students here, they've never seen university. A lot of these students are travelling from all around Australia, from remote communities to the big cities of Melbourne or Brisbane or Sydney.
This program is brilliant. It allows kids who either their parents didn't go to university or their siblings didn't go to university. It allows them to physically come here and physically experience what university can look like for them.
There's just so much support, and we always let them know that if they have any questions, any worries, they can come chat to us, they can chat to the staff. And the IERC is just amazing. Like, since I've been at uni, they've been such a big support, and we really let them know that they're not alone, and there's all the help if you just ask for it.
You know, JCU, before it was an if question, but now it's definitely a when question. You know, it's not if I'm going, it's when I'm going. And yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to being a part of the JCU life.
I've always just wanted to be a lawyer. I don't know, it's just like, I've just been attracted to wanting to be a lawyer. And so far, we've done moot court. So I got to be in a fake trial, I got to be a lawyer for a bit. That was really fun.
It's shown me that it's definitely different from high school. It's a lot more freedom, but it's also, with that freedom, it's like you've got to plan it yourself, and it's showing you how to be an individual, but also working with a team.
I've definitely taken a lot out of it and grown a lot, and learned a lot about my culture too, and doing some culture sessions, which I love doing. I love being a part of my culture.
Coming to Winter School really lets you know that schools like JCU are really good for especially Indigenous students, and that university isn't as hard as people would think it'll be.
One of the biggest takeaways that come from the program such as today is students coming up to me and saying, I'm excited for next year, I want to enroll. And I think that's the biggest thing of how we can judge how successful this program is. Because students are coming to us and these dreams, these ideas are becoming reality, and they are very excited to do those.